Hello again. Welcome to the Confidence Rebuild Project. I used to hate long distance running in track meets. I wanted short races. Quick, done, no pain. But one fall, I got thrown into cross country and it changed everything. Back in grade school, I was all about short sprints because I was quick, I was fast. But when the races got longer, indoor laps, same circle, same walls, I got bored fast. I figured endurance just wasn't my thing. Then came cross-country season. Trails, trees, mud, and leaves. Something clicked. I started finishing like near the top of all my events. Then I got in the top 10 in provincials, went to the provincial finals. And then eventually I made it to the nationals. Funny thing is, I didn't even train harder. I just stopped trying to be a sprinter and then just found my own pace through that. Confidence isn't about being the fastest. It's about finding your rhythm, the one that fits you. Once you do that, the race just gets easier and easier after that. I thought I'd fail at long distance running, but I found my strength there. Maybe you had that moment too. When life asks you to go further than you thought you ever could, and you surprised yourself. When was the last time you discovered strength you didn't know you even had? Where in your life have you been sprinting when you really needed just to find your rhythm? We're all finding our own pace, one step at a time. You're not behind, you're building your endurance. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a good one.